And for our opening prayer, Habagat, can you lead the prayer?
Almighty, all us, your loving children, offering you today our words and studies. Help us, dear Lord, be obedient to our teachers, kind to our companions, diligent to our studies, that we may carelessly ourselves to our soul, our beloved country, the Philippines. Amen.
Okay, everybody, eyes on me.
Eyes on you.
Okay, if you hear me, clap once, clap twice, clap thrice. If you hear me, follow me. Okay, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today, children?
You're my teacher.
Very good. Then,
Yes, teacher.
very good. Before you take your seat, I have prepared some energizer so that you will be energized. And this is the lyrics of the song that we will sing. I will sing it first, so you better do so you can follow teacher, okay? You understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, the song goes this way. Let's learn the quasars, let's learn the quasars all together. Okay, then the second stanza. Black or hard, powerful source, quasar shine. Then the third, zoom zoom, quasars bright, shining stars and dancing inside. Okay, now I will do it with action. Let's learn the quasars, let's learn the quasars all together. Let's learn the quasars, let's learn the quasars, let's learn the quasars all together. Black or white, powerful source, quasar shine, zoom zoom, quasars bright, shining stars and dancing inside. Okay? Let's do it all together. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's learn the quasars. Let's learn the quasars. Let's learn the quasars all together. Let's learn the quasars. Let's learn the quasars. Let's learn the quasars all together. Black or white, a powerful source, quasar shine, zoom zoom, quasar shine. Start to dance inside. Okay, very good, children. Now, before you take your seat, see to it that everything is arranged and clear. Okay, thank you. Now, let us check your attendance. As I call your name, just raise your right hand and say, present. Okay, start with Habagat and Hasube. Molina. John Asahir. Very good, children, and no one is absent today. To start our class discussion, we have classroom rules to follow or to guide. Please read the classroom rules number 1.
Listen attentively. Engage respectfully. Always follow instructions. Raise your hand if you want to speak. Nurture positive attitude.
Can I expect all these things from you, children?
Yes, teacher.
Thank you. Now, I have here the incentive chart. What can you see on the board? Yes, Habagat?
Hello, teacher.
Very good. What else?
That's the one in the outer space.
Okay, this chart called the incentive chart or the points chart or the reward chart. You will get a very good stars if you participate and answer the question. This chart is called the reward chart or the incentive chart. All you have to do is to participate to get a Very good, stars. And then with the end of the discussion, we will count how many started you earned. So there. And now children, I have prepared some activities. Do you want to take word search?
Yes.
Teacher. All you have to do is to look for the words inside the bag. And I will do it by group. So you will do it by group. This one will be the group 1 and this side will be the group 2. Okay? Answer it by group quietly. Are you done, children?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let's wait for the group 1. Okay, let's check your word. Word other. Okay. Very good. All your answers are correct. So with that, you will receive a very good star. Since group 2 finished first, they will receive a 5 stars. Now, children, do you have any idea what will be our lesson for today? Based on our song that we sang earlier. Yes, Tahir?
I think it's all about quasars.
Very good. It's all about quasars. So are you excited with our new discussion today?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. So this morning, we will going to a journey to know about the most amazing and what we call it, most amazing
Klaro ako?
amazing and mysterious object in the universe, which is the quasars. So, children, do you have any idea what quasar is? Yes?
It's found in
Very good. It's found in outer space. So, everybody read.
quasars are incredibly bright, distant objects found at the center of the galaxy. They are powered by supermassive black holes actively consuming matter as
This matter spirals into the black hole. It gets up millions of degrees and releases enormous amounts of energy across the electromagnetic spectrum.
making quasars some of the most luminous objects in the universe.
Their light can travel billions of light years to reach us.
Offering a glimpse into the early universe.
Thank you, children. Now, so what do you see? Right. Yes, Molina?
There is a light bulb.
Yes, this is a light bulb. So I will open the light. So imagine billion of times brighter than this. That is how bright the quasar is. So as you cannot see by your naked eye. So I have here the structure of quasars. structure of quasars.
Quasar, hindi quasar.
Wow.
Okay. We have the accretion list, most galaxies, the supermassive called and the wing outflow. Now let's tackle it one by one. Everybody read.
Wind outflow. Powerful jets are materials called a wind outflow, are ejected from the vicinity of the black hole at the speed reaching 20% the speed of light.
So the wing outflow, you can find it here. So it's a powerful jet of material called the wind flow. Next is please read everybody.
Accretion is surrounding the black hole is a swirling accretion of superheated matter. As this matter spirals inward because there is intense heat and light, radiating energy across the electromagnetic spectrum.
So the accretion list, you will find it here. Side. Then it's water. Spirals inward friction generates intense heat and light. Next is everybody.
Host galaxy. The quasar resides in host galaxy, which is undergoing a period of rapid star formation, producing new stars at rate 200 times faster than our Milky Way galaxy. This intense star formation is likely related to the quasar's activity.
Yes, you can find the host galaxy in this part. So, if you imagine how amazing it is, it produces new stars at the rate of 200 times faster than our Milky Way galaxy. And for the last part, please read.
Supermassive black hole. At the center is a supermassive black hole estimated to be 1.6 billion times the mass of our sun. This is the infinite
energy output.
Yes, the supermassive black hole. You can find it here. The small black hole in the middle of the structure of quasars. Now, children, for you to be able to learn whatever quasar, I have here the video presentation. Since our television isn't working anymore, so please. Forward, everybody. Very good. Who wants to try? Yes, very good. The brightest object inside the bag is stars. Now we have children, our lesson for today. Okay, please prepare your ball pen. Just answer the space provided for the number. Do not forget to write your name, section, and grade. Okay, standing first. Before you go, please get your assignment notebook and copy this. For this breaks, I will just post it later. So please read.
Joe and Gabriel, the capture of
Quasar. Very good. Now let's count your stars. For group 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, for group 2.
1, 2, 3.
Let's give very good love for group 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Now listen, keep your things. Malina, please. Sit down close to here. Goodbye, children.
Good